Feel the magic under Keely's light. Hook in hand, we're gonna start today. Hook in love will show the way.
Hi, I'm Keely from Hooking Low.
In this video, we are going to look at how to create a slip stitch for a join in this instance. So I have made a circle and I'm coming to the point where I want to join it, and I am going to make sure that I'm going into the top of the first stitch. So if you are brand new, can be quite hard to see what you're looking into. So as I'm looking at this now, this section here, this little bit here, is my, just bring that up a little bit more, is such a small hook it's caught. This section here is my joining stitch from the previous round. And then this one here, which again is quite hard to see, is the chain, which makes this one the actual stitch that I want to slip stitch in to join. Now, you can look at your stitches and work your way back, because I should have 20. So if I counted 20 back, it would take me to here, and I would then know that that was it if I was struggling to find it that way. So if you know how many stitches you should have, if you count back from the last one made all the way around, then you should be fine. So in order to make a slip stitch, what I'm going to do, I'm going to have the loop on my hook, and I am going to put my hook through the top. So just as you would as if you were going to make a stitch. So I've gone through both of those. I'm grabbing that yarn, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it through both the stitch and the loop on my hook. So I'm going to pull it through the stitch and then through the loop on my hook, and then it creates the join. Okay, so let me just go and do that again. So I'm back where I was. I want to join this, so I'm going into the top. I'm grabbing the yarn and I'm going to pull it through everything, just going through the stitch and the loop on my hook, and then I'm ready to create the next round, because we're going in circles. Okay,